So Giovanni, where are you from?
Connecticut.
You're from Connecticut, so you came a long distance too to
Yeah,
this our 3 day certified detailer training.
9 hours. Yeah.
9 hours, and you drove.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So,
Driving.
well, we really appreciated you coming. So,
Thanks.
what did you think of Friday, the business and marketing class?
It's a good class and everything. I learned stuff that I don't know and everything about the business, the how the
Marketing,
marketing,
social
everything, social
media.
media, a lot of stuff that
It's
I
going
don't
to
know.
definitely be able to
Yeah,
help you out, get the
yeah, a
business
lot.
started.
Yeah.
What about Saturday, where we had the exterior, the paint correction training, the ceramic coating application? How do you think you did? Did you like it? Do you think
Yeah,
it helped you?
yeah, very good.
Excellent. So it was
Practice,
definitely worth it.
yeah. It's things they never do, and I learned too much.
Excellent. And today was the interior detailing and cleaning training along with headlight restoration.
Hmm.
What'd you think of that?
Very good, and that's the stuff that I never do. That's new. Everything is new for me, and I learned too much right now. I know I do everything right now.
So
Do
everything that you learned this weekend, you'll be able to take back,
yeah,
okay, and get your business started. And
yeah.
you have us as your mentor
I'm
too.
not gonna be more easy to do everything right now because I learned too much here.
Shorten the learning curve.
Yes.
Well, thank you. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Magnificent
Thank you.
job. Thank
Appreciate
you
it.
so much.